Hi. I got rainbow roses in front of me. As you can see. Yeah. Some of them don't really exist in real life. And also we got roses in my garden. And then jump into the code. So yeah, colour. So obviously I use Python Turtle graphics to do this. So import turtle. Fred. Getting a bit repetitive now for Fred, so I'll just do any name. So T equals turtle.pen. I feel like that's a bit repetitive. So I'm not gonna say it because you might find it's a bit repetitive. Minus 500, minus 250. Coordinates T dot. Oh god. T. Oh god. Oh, for God's sake. C dot pen up. Or just up. T dot down. C dot, which means pen, lift the pen off the page, put it back. So I'm going to have colours equals red, red, orange, yellow, lime. Really, it's green, but if I put green, it's going to be a darker green, which I don't really like. Blue, indigo, which is blue purple, violet, which is a lighter purple. Colours. So what next? Yeah, I need to draw the rose. So seem to have forgot how to draw the rose. Have I arranged 3? Oh, red circle. So 10, 366. So 10, 363, 6. Red dot 60. Red dot circle. Actually. So did it do what I want? Oh, for God's sake. Someone's moving here. Oh, Fred. T. Oh, for God's sake. So that flickered. So turtle dot down. Oh. So yeah. No. So let's see what exact. So. Oh. Annoying message. 120. Yep. And then so that draws 3 hexagons for I range 12, which means you'll create even more hexagons, which means more hexagons, and eventually it will take shape of a rose. Thread dot left. 12? Definitely not 12. 50. 30. So, oh god. T! I keep forgetting. T dot left 30. T dot forward 10. Not sure if it really is. Do you find it boring? Yeah, it's taking shape of a rose. And you can see now that it's becoming a rose. But you may be thinking, isn't it a bit boring to have just this black and white rose? Yeah, you might find it boring. So let's add colour. But I need to draw a lot of roses before I have to do that. So for I range 10, which means do it 10 times. And then thread dot up. Thread dot. Wait, not thread, but T. Thread is getting too repetitive. Oh wait, was it? Forward 50, so that they can socially distance. And then thread dot T dot speed 0. That's not social distancing. So what we need to do is get the out of mass gathering. Oh, that's definitely not social distancing. 100 pixels. Yeah, call that social distancing. Wait, what? Oh god. Yeah. So that's good. Control. For higher range 5. T dot up. T back. 1000. 1000. 10 times 100 is 1000. T dot left 90. T dot forward. 100. I'm not sure about that, so let's check if it. So yeah. Yeah, 100. 3 dot. All socially distant 2 meters. 100 pixels. T dot. T dot right. 90. T dot down. So does it? Very boring. Great. But, hey, you may be asking, isn't it a bit boring to have, and that's the second time I've said that. So I really need to add colour. So, J equals I times 10. So K equals I times, so K equals I equals I plus J. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I plus J percent 7. Thread dot fill color. T dot fill color. Colors. Okay. Red dot T dot begin fill. You may recognize these from my older videos. Oh, not there. I mean this. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Red, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. And yeah, that's it for this video. So please subscribe, like, and if you have any comments, post them in the comment section. And then so I'm going to leave you off with these rainbow roses. And yeah, bye.